Itong
The group fashion features these indigenous geometric pattern and earth tone color palettes, inspired by mountain heritage and tribal aesthetics. The trend celebrates cultural identity through bold patterns and natural materials, creating statement pieces that bridge traditional Filipino culture with contemporary fashion. Tagalog fashion embraces vibrant, bold colors and modern silhouettes that reflects the nation's Filipino culture and festive spirit. The trend combines traditional Filipino textiles with contemporary
Trasyon, bakit?
runway,
Project Runway. Runway project.
Filipino pride and heritage.
Ada lasin niya. Kasi kanu din man di lupa no. Itu program ini. Aku ada sendiri. Sobat si pinakatin. Si ilang si Red si Philippines taga. Lalu kanu. Cok.
Raika.
Si Reka.
Russian fashion showcases
Russia ka,
bold
no?
luxury
Russia.
and
Ay, sasa! Ay na!
Confident.
Na ilaw, tinpandiling.
powerful statements on the
Aga
wall.
iba eh, tan
The
mafia.
trend combines opulence with architectural precision, featuring rich fabrics, intricate embellishments, and avant-garde
Nailaw, tinpandiling.
designs that challenge conventional fashion boundaries.
Hindi ka, bukura na naobi na nagbagi. Sino? Parang nakikita ko yung party-party pre-night.
Project Runaway number 4.
Oh, maganda rin to. Ba't kumansalas
Fashion
Hollywood?
celebrates vibrant color,
Ika, kasal na.
and growth
Di ba, pang damit kasal yan?
arts, adapted for contemporary wear.
Sino na ay si Angel May?
Di ba number 1, 2, 3?
Ha?
Featuring
Oh,
layers
number
of
4
arts,
takot.
ornate
Angel May. Angel May na?
Angel Ann.
Ay, Angel Ann.
fabric and design.
Ito, piniana din si... Piniana si lipstick. Piniana sa sarang ba si Bollywood chick na si...
Dapat nag-smile ka.
Ilas na din, 60 dalat ta ulo anak na.
Awan pa.
Project Runaway number 5.
Yan, pa lang kami. Oo, kasi pag medyo ano na. Si Angel May.
Ay, sinay si Angel.
Textile fashion embraces bold
3,
prints,
4. Hindi sino daw number.
indigenous textile patterns, and colorful embroidery
Textile pa.
that reflects the nation's rich cultural heritage. The trend combines traditional craftsmanship with modern silhouettes, celebrating vibrant aesthetics and sustainable production rooted in the indigenous.
Hanggaman amin, bababae mo pa.
Awan pa. Wow.
Ito, konting photographer na.
Project Runaway number 6.
Australian fashion emphasizes relaxed sophistication with earthy tones and sustainable materials inspired by the natural landscape. The trend prioritizes comfort and functionality while maintaining style, featuring organic fabrics,
Interior.
minimalist design, eco-conscious
Parang kamuhay lang sa likod na. Si Ira.
design with environmental
Meron Nakikita mo kung ano ang nirarampa nila.
Ay, okay. Kaya pala. Tapos, tutuda ako din Australia.
Australia siya.
Project runway number 7.
Run away. Ay! Magic runway.
Runway.
Run away to Taray!
Nika.
Japanese fashion represents precision craftsmanship with unique silhouettes that blend traditional aesthetics with cutting-edge innovation. The print features neutral color palettes,
Pero yung
symmetrical
description,
designs,
it's different
and
from what they
meticulous
have
attention
wear.
to detail, creating avant-garde garment pieces that emphasize quality and artistic expression.
You run
Bakit
away.
nagganon siya eh?
Oh, run away. Go.
Ano niya dyan? Dapat din doon nga iba yan. Ano, tapos din makeup na. Makeup ko. Now,
Project runway number 8.
African fashion showcases
African sa
sustainable production. Traditional printing techniques like batik and wax prints. Empowerment through fashion that tells stories of culture and
Wow.
ang galing. Sinundan niya yung sinabi ko kanina.
May pa-flowy pa yung hair niya.
May pa
The air is going with
pa
her.
slow motion effect.
Oh, sige. Tama.
Hello di, runway look.
Sige. Kailangan ko. Wait, bakit tayo ng 30?
Ay, Africa.
Pwede rin ang Africa, mag-shella sila.
Pwede. Bago dyan nila yun. Sila ay Korea man na.
Project runway number 4.
Gaganda yun.
Carly.
Carly Shane. Carly Shane.
Korea. Bakit?
New Zealand.
Parang Korean. Korean fashion style eh.
Wait.
creating timeless pieces that balance contemporary style and the environment responsibly.
Oh, maganda din yung kay Rona. Ba't manigimbot mo kay Carly? Maitsa ko, alis nito.
Project runway number 10.
Rona. 10. Rona. Sino yung represent isa?
In Saudi Arabia,
Saudi.
women wear an
Mamaya ito yung malit. Una, inalan. Abayak. Oh, di na ipagaw din.
or a headscarf or a hijab, or the face veil. The abaya and hijab symbolizes modesty, humility, and respect for Islamic values, also religious devotion and faith, privacy and protection, identity and agency. It's a cultural identifier and a way for women to maintain privacy, reflecting traditional rules and responsibilities. Ultimately, this outfit serves as a powerful testament to a woman's pride in her heritage, beautifully balancing her personal dignity with the evolving spirit of a modern society.
Runway number 11.
Fashion embraces bold colors
Ay, Boy South.
that reflects the national
Parang
trauma.
same sila ng damit ni Carly. May Tagalog na sa'yo.
Traditional Filipino styles with
Okay, sa isa balik.
contemporary
Sa number ni sa?
creating accessible,
11?
expressive pieces that celebrate Filipino pride and creativity.
Sino yung represent sa mo? Sino yung
Kaya na ng bar or what?
Tagalog ba? Tagalog ba?
Tagalog.
Fashion trend kami. Oh, sino na? Rainier? Oh,
Project runway number
Korean style. Oh. Cho. Yan pa
A symbol of
Confidence.
modern Korean outfit,
Ano rin yan?
beautifully varies traditional elegance with contemporary urban style. It features a meticulously tailored coat, sharply cut trouser, and a sleek turtleneck. The combination offers a harmonious balance of structure and comfort, creating a timeless yet fashion-forward look that embodies everyone's experience.
Project runway number 20.
Jandel. Sino yung nakuha ni sa?
Lucano. Basta si Lucano. Sino na si Lucano?
Ay, Filipino.
Lucano. Ay, Lucano.
Emphasizing handcrafted textiles and natural fibers. These regions honors ancestral weaving techniques while adapting them to modern. Eco-conscious fashion that appeals to global audiences.
Project runway number 40.
Demwell.
This striking U.S. outfit presents an American formal and symbol that masterfully combines classic contrast with sophisticated command. It features a crisp white full shirt as a bright focal point, layered with a sharply fitted black vest for depth and structure. Well-fitted black slacks pressed with a short piece are complemented by sleek black necktie, creating a polished transition. The iconic black tuxedo jacket with luxurious satin lapels and structured shoulders completes this powerful white and all-black combination, making a bold statement that honors tradition while exuding modern poise and refined elegance.
Si Harvey sa?
Project runway number 15.
Harvey.
Ay, 40.
E-girl fashion features
Dapat nanuwanes.
indigenous
Oh,
geometric
nanuwanes na.
pattern
Ay,
and
asi.
earth tone color palettes inspired by
Dapat
mountain
nanuwanes.
heritage
Bakit
and
kaya
tribal
mag-iman nung
aesthetics.
It's
The
the
dress
Baka
celebrates
casual. Ay,
cultural
fashion trend.
identity through
Bakit
bold
hindi
patterns
mo-
and natural materials.
Cultural attire.
Creating statement pieces that bridge traditional mountain culture with contemporary runway
Kaman Mirel.
fashion.
Charot.
Proudly
Mirel.
presenting the walking 10,000 of the Igorots.
10,000.
Kahit man sa sambag baw di gurut.
Hindi siya iman yan.
Gurut bagyo.
Originality.
Project runway number 16.
This former Russian-inspired ensemble blends historical grandeur with modern elegance. It features a meticulously tailored suit, likely in a deep, rich
Russian,
color
sir?
with subtle military-inspired details. A crisp,
Europe?
high-collared shirt, distinguished tie, and polished dress shoes complete this powerful look, embodying refinement and strength with a contemporary touch.
Runway. Okay lang. Original. 16? Mati 16 eh. Asya. Ulit kumakasin.
It's time for a moment to catch our breath.
Sumayat no pinarampa
Please
na amin
welcome
dahil
our
Aw, parang
intermission
pa. Aw,
performance
i-request ako sa
grade 11 students.
Ay, tapos na yun?
Aw, may met no parang panda kasi niya.
Did I miss the one?
Aw,
Ilan
din
sila
man
lahat?
round 16.
Oh no!
Taman round ako maya. Tama ilan usto tanduid ko niya.
Kaya nga eh.
Ay no ato. Request ako. Can we request?
Sige min ado-ado din part di program.
Bo. Bo.
Ilakti. Han number. Hindi ba han last adiyot hi Mr. Ponchohan?
Ponchohan.
Kaya ka na number ito. Han last adiyot. Next kan Mr. Abias. Hi Harvey.
Si Harvey.
Second to the last.
When? Next kan Harvey.
Si
Hilimuel?
Jandel.
Ay,
Tapos si Jandel. Limuel, si Jandel.
Limuel muna.
Jandel. Aw.
Then hi Jondel.
Aw. Tapos
Ay,
si
Rainier.
Si Rainier.
Opay.
Tapos si Dario.
Ayun. Okay, sige, thanks. Si Rainier, Opay.
Uy, regular holiday na sa 20.
So nga.
Alak na ilan confidence.
Kasi malayo pa ba takpan church?
So number 13 ko na supposed to be.
Hiramin ko nga ma'am sir yung program mo.
Uy, akod man bulo man.
Ay, ito din program ko.
Naisin. Nice. Uy, akod man aslap.
And then,
Mag-isbo mo.
next would be and then for 15 Limuel.
Ito yung kung ano.
Yes, ma'am.
Manrampa daw kasi na school. Siya ni.
Ay, may taniyat hi Rainier. Ay, nanon pa? Kaya ko napansin.
Ngawi-ngawi.
Okay.
Kung sa bagay, depende sa mata yung mata ng beholder.
Oo. Yun, hi Rainier lang, Opay. Okay na sa akin.